Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Otter AI not transcribing audio in 2026. If you've uploaded an audio file or recorded a conversation, but Otter AI isn't generating a transcript, this guide will help you troubleshoot the issue step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Go to your dashboard and locate the conversation or audio file that's having the problem. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload or prevent Otter AI from processing your audio correctly. Now make sure your audio file is in a supported format and isn't corrupted. If the file won't play on your device, Otter AI may not be able to transcribe it properly. Next, verify that the audio is clear and has enough volume. Recordings with heavy background noise, multiple overlapping speakers, or very low audio levels may produce poor or incomplete transcripts. Now refresh the page and wait a few more minutes. Larger audio files can take longer to process before the transcript appears in your account. If you're recording live, check that your microphone permissions are enabled and that the correct microphone is selected on your device before starting a new recording. Next, try uploading the audio file again or create a new recording to see if the issue continues. You can also clear your browser cache or try another browser if the problem persists. Finally, if Otter AI still isn't transcribing your audio, contact Otter AI support and include details about your audio file and the error you're experiencing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Otter AI not transcribing audio step by step. Your recording should now process correctly and generate accurate transcripts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.